teacher is like a candle. Today, we are celebrating the National Teachers' Day. Dear friends, teachers are the pillars of society. They are the building blocks of nation's future. Teachers are the pillars of society. Without teachers, there is no engineer, no doctor, no IAS officer, no scientist, and no economist. They make us an ideal citizen of the country. Yes, teachers are the backbone of our society by shaping and building our personalities. T for talented. E for educated. A for adorable. C for caring. H for helpful. E for encouraging. R for responsible. We are always grateful to you. Thank you to all.